Tired of clumsy thumbs ruining your Brawl Stars matches? First, head over to the BlueStacks website. Just search for it on Google. BlueStacks is a free Android emulator that will let you play Brawl Stars on your PC. Click the download button and install BlueStacks on your computer. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once BlueStacks is installed and running, open the Google Play Store. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, just like you would on an Android phone. Search for Brawl Stars in the Play Store and click Install. Wait for the game to download and install within BlueStacks. After the installation, open Brawl Stars. The first time you launch it, it might take a little longer to load. Now for the magic, look for the keyboard icon on the right side toolbar of BlueStacks. This opens the controls editor. You can customize your keybindings here to map movements and attacks to your keyboard and mouse. Adjust the controls to your liking, save your settings, and jump into a match. Now you can dominate the competition with the precision of keyboard and mouse controls. Enjoy.